In front of me is the Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. This is an upgrade to the C700P, which was launched earlier last year. And this has a few new upgrades from the C700P. This is going to be part of the Maker series. So the M stands for Maker, and a few changes have been made. For example, on the top you can see there's a different kind of a pattern on the top panel. There's a light strip on the front panel as well, an RGB light strip. The colors and the modes can be controlled by buttons over here. So there's a button here and there's another button here for probably the fan control, fan speed. The logo is illuminated on the outer ring. There's a few venting also done on the front, and on the inside there's a lot of interesting things going on. So this is the same tempered glass hinge panel that was used on the earlier one. So the most stark difference that you can see is that on the rear panel there aren't any ports to install the motherboard I/O ports. So the motherboard has been tilted to the left on 90 degrees, so the I/O ports are on the bottom. If you want to connect your keyboard and mouse, you can insert the cables from the rubber grommeted hole over here, and they can be connected to the motherboard. Another interesting change in design is the GPU bracket. The GPU has been mounted, has been completely turned upside down and made into a vertical stand. And as you can see, it's right at the front, and it can be moved, it can be tilted as per your needs. So if you want to display your GPU from the side panel, then you can do so. Otherwise, you can tilt it to the right. So do note that tilting the GPU to the right will also restrict some airflow coming in from the front fans that you install on the front panel. So that is all from the C700M, an upgrade to the Cooler Master C700P that was launched last year. There's LED strips on the bottom as well, and there's an upgraded light strip on the front panel. The rest of the things remain the same. There's a hub at the back for your lighting control and the fans, and that's where your PSU goes. These are brackets for your SSDs or hard drive, whatever you wish to install. So yeah, that's the new C700M from Cooler Master.